Start record. Which class 302. Okay. Just update my page. Open the student view. Okay. The activity is this task 5, okay? Open the task 5. Okay, this activity here, guys, is a group activity, okay? However, this type of exercise, you cannot create 2 groups, okay? And because the idea is, one guy in the group answer the activity, okay? The other one support, but don't need to submit nothing, okay? Just one guy will submit the things related to this activity. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I return to my view because I can open, okay? But it's the way. Okay. Okay, it is the activity. The idea is you develop a system from the scratch, the simulator part and the add part, IoT add part, okay? And the scenario is you need to work, you need to create a network sensor, okay? To measure because you have a music concert in this place, okay? And you need to detect when you have smoke or when you have fire, okay? And because you need to install 2 types of sensor, okay? Is here, okay? We need to read, okay? Okay, you need to install the smoke, detect fire, and the local temperature, okay? That you use, okay, when you use very high, you open the sprinkle system to decrease the temperature in the place, okay? In both cases, you detect smoke and detect the temperature you use the 2 sensors to detect when you have fire in the place. Until here, did you understand the case?
Yes.
Okay. The sensor is installed in this place here, and the coordinate is here, okay? The blue one that you have here, okay, is the place where you install the add device, okay? You install the add device here, and the other sensors is here. In this place is 1 sensor, then 2 sensors, okay? 1 node, 2 sensors. 1 temperature and smoke, 1 temperature smoke, 1 temperature smoke, 1 temperature smoke, and 1 temperature smoke. And the blue one is the place where you install the add layer in the add device. Until here, any questions?
No.
Okay, it's the scenario. Here you have in the green the Spanish version of the question, okay? The first thing, you need to put the name of the group, okay? For example, Abraham, which group you are?
Robocop.
Robocop. You type here, Robocop, okay? And save. And you have questions after. Question 2, what's the logic topology required to implement the edge? You have this type of questions, okay? And what this type of question means is a preparation. I cover the theoretical concept, and after you have the practical questions, okay? create the experiment in the simulation. The procedure that you have here is the same procedure that you will apply here, that I show here to you, okay? You create the scenario, you define how many the sensor that you want. After create the JSON file. Oh, it's important. When you create the JSON file, if you see here, the simulator creates set one latitude and one longitude, okay, to you, okay? What you need to do, what is the PowerPoint here? What the system asks you to do in the H is you open the JSON file and replace the coordinates and longitude that you have for this one. That is the place that you install the system. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Question 7. You have more theory question, three questions, and after 3 questions about the broker, and after you have the practical question. And you have here, okay, after installation of Node-RED, open the parent manager, install Node-RED contribute EADS. Okay, I believe you already have installer. Okay, and here you have the configuration step by step what you need to do. Okay, including the run of the simulator. Okay. The next question, you have an explanation, and you have the question. Create the function that you use the flow context. If you see here, you have step by step what you need to do. Okay. This assignment is not to check if you know or you don't know. It's to follow one procedure, and you understand the complete procedure step by step. What I did is, I already showed most of the things that you have here in the class. What I did is, I report step by step what you need to do to have this information to you. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
You have a lot of questions, tasks here to do. And all tasks that you have explanation about what you need to do, okay? The only question that is not so directly that you need to think is the question 14, okay? In the question 14 is a challenge, okay? It's a challenge, okay? You use the previous questions, okay? And you need to refactor, extend the previous question to insert 2 information here, okay? But again, you need to do the other one, okay? But the other one, how to map the things and how to show the sensors in the map. You have the information here step by step. You don't need to, it's wrong. You need to think, but you don't need to looking for information outside. You just only follow, okay? Follow and copy and create the things in your code, okay? The only question that is a little different is the question 14 that you need to think better. You need to think and to improve what you're learning in the previous questions. Okay, guys, did you understand what you need to do?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, stop here. I will open the breakout room. Okay. If you have any question, you call me and I enter in the breakout room to clarify. You have until the end of this session to finalize this exercise. Okay. Again, you can submit until Sunday, but again, use the time that you have here to finalize and don't need to, because I'm here. Okay. If you have questions, you can call me and I can provide the feedback immediately. Okay. Don't use the time to do other things. Use the time to solve this exercise and don't have extra work in your home, okay? The important thing here, everything that you need to do in this sprint, it's covered here in this exercise, okay? Every task is not the same case because he is a different case, but the things that you do, you work here, you need to work in your project. Okay. Any question? Oh, it's crazy. I already create the breakout room, but because I leave, it's lost. Give me a sec to create again. Okay, guys, the breakout room is open. If you have any questions, call me, okay? See you soon.